Good morning, student. We finished with 7th chapter along the question answers. So today I am showing you a practical session which is on page number 99, hands on a computer. In that you have one program that you have to write on a notepad, and then you have to run this program. In this program they are showing the structure of HTML, then how to use body tag along with the attribute, then heading tags are there, horizontal line, how can we use all these tags along with the attribute. They showing the program. So you have to type this program in notepad. So for that first you have to search a notepad. Okay, now I am showing you how to open, how to save and how to run the HTML program. I already typed this program, so I'll just copy paste that program in the untitled notepad. Just copy and paste like this. Now you can increase the size with the help of format and font. Like a 16, click on OK. So it is now visible to you also. So after writing the program, go to the file, save or save as, and I am saving this program on a desktop. So I am giving the name as a demo1, demo.html. So there is no space between demo.html. Second thing, whenever you save your program, first letter of that word should be capital, and do not give any space between the word. These two words are along all the saving the name. After that, save as a type. So here it is a by default save in a text document. So we have to select as a all files. Okay, so this is, remember that always select all files. When you select as a text document, it will select it as a text document, but we have to select as a all files, means a HTML file, and click on save. When you save this file, minimize your notepad. Just see that our program is saved in a Internet Explorer browser icon. Okay, so if your program is saved correctly, it will show a browser's icon, or if you not saving your program correctly, it will show in a text save data. Okay, so now right click, I am right click here, open with, you can open with Chrome also or any other browser also. I am opening this data with the help of Chrome. See, the horizontal line is coming, heading is coming, all the things is here. Next thing, in your class I told you that title is comes on a browser. So working with the background and heading come here. See, working with the background and the headings. Next thing, we are using the, in the body tag, BG color blue, text color white. So this is your background color and text is white. Next is welcome to the personal web page. We have to add the center align along with the H1 heading. So this is your center alignment along the H1 heading, and others are written in this way. So like this you have to complete your practical at your home. Okay, if you have any query, any doubt, you can write in comment box. Along with that, you have to complete the practical on page number 105. Okay, it is same like just I show you here, same like that. So complete these two practical and send your HTML file to me. Okay, thank you.